NooneFN.
Big G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my brand. Tough, we ain't in that racket. Guys came and you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Counts here, man, you know stay bitch dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you ass out. No punk real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast route? 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, Teddy Coop, true story. Niggas rats, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but them niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, tryna steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. I can down them with the barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match and I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, niggas send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Said I give a fuck by the nigga I never. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Guys came and you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Cows here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Bitch dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you ass out. No punk real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast route? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas, old parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots to the breakdown. We don't talk to cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. Big pop shit, these niggas corny, they kettle. Break them down, no, you know I can't settle. Family matters, baby heavy like metal. All gas, got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, bread force, cause they stack nice. Hop on crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed and the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act like. Hop on crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed and the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act like. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Guys came and you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Cows here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro.